Hi, my name is Jimmy from AET Display Limited, China. What I'm showcasing here is the latest COB product. In the market, basically, you are looking at the small module, which is using a 150 by 337 module. But what happened is that we have a latest technology here. The module size here is 240 by 270. All right. What happened is that you are reducing the installation time, and for this product here, we are emphasizing more on the low scan rate, which is perfect and suitable for the TV studio application. And what's more is that the cabinet size, we have 3 cabinet size for you to choose and mix and match. All right. The standard cabinet size is 480 by 540, and we have a half size which is 480 by 270. Another cabinet size which is 240 by 540. So you can basically mix and match and fulfill the installation requirement. For more information, please visit our website www.aetled.com. Thank you very much.